Extraordinary and plenipotentiary ambassador of the Kyrgyz Republic to the Russian Federation Gulnara Clara Samat met with representatives of the LDPR party led by Vladimir Zhirinovsky. The parties drew attention to the situation that happened in Kyrgyzstan related to the recent incident at the Children's Entertainment Center. The ambassador noted that such provocation take place in any country, and in this case, the event that occurred is considered as an incident at the domestic level, for which the competent authorities of the country have carried out appropriate work. The parties agreed that such a situation can be used by persons who are interested in destabilizing bilateral relations, in connection with which such incidents cannot serve as a basis for the deterioration of bilateral relations. In addition, Samat noted that Russian is the official language in the Kyrgyz Republic, which serves as a language of communication among all nationalities of the people of Kyrgyzstan and the cultural language of communication of the Commonwealth of Independent States countries. In the continuation of the topic, Samat reported that in August 19th of this year, the third Kyrgyz-Russian Business Forum, New Challenges and Opportunities for Business Partnership in the Eurasian Economic Union, is planned to be held in Cholpon-Ata. The deputy of the Russian parliament expressed interest in participating in the upcoming business forum and made a proposal to the representatives of the Liberal Democratic Party who participated in the meeting to visit the Kyrgyz Republic to get acquainted with the potential for developing the country's exports and holding meeting with the business community of Kyrgyzstan in the field of tourism, animal husbandry and the agricultural sector. Also, Zhirinovsky proposed to resume the Istanbul Forum named after Chingiz Aytmatov for the development of cultural communications between the countries of Central Asia and Russia. Zhirinovsky noted the need for further development of trade and economic ties between the countries, and in order to increase Russian tourists in Kyrgyzstan, he proposed to work out the issue of opening a railway connection from Russian cities to the Istanbul region. At the end of the meeting, the parties noted that existing bilateral relations between the countries are exclusively friendly and strategic in nature.